History is being written this week. The constitutional journey surrounding Constitutional American Bill number 3 Cap 3 is officially entering its final stretch, and the stakes could not be higher. Zimbabwe at Crossroads. The final countdown for Cap 3. For subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa maendo ya comrade Chibage Tinobranyirachid by Friday. Members of Parliament are expected to cast their definitive votes in the National Assembly, with the entire legislative process set to wrap up by the end of June 2026. These next few days will shape Zimbabwe's governance for generations to come. Here is what you need to know about the bill that is everyone talking. The final stretch in Parliament. After adjourning last Friday, Parliament resumes sittings tomorrow, Tuesday, meaning today. While there is active debate outside Parliament walls, the ultimate power rests with our elected legislators. If the National Assembly passes the bill, it hits straight to the Senate before returning for a final formal adoption, entrenching our nationhood. Supporters argue that Cap 3 is exactly what Zimbabwe needs to cure political polarization. The goal: create a stable, predictable environment that allows for long-term national development and policy continuity. A blueprint for Zimbabwe's future. Proponents are calling Cap 3 a transformative blueprint for inclusive growth. Across its 21 proposed clauses, the bill aims to introduce major structural reforms for institutional renewal, transparency, and equitable development, all while protecting foundational pillars like land, justice, and universal suffrage. A critical milestone for our country's governance, electoral system, and institutional future. Doma developments are kuda panguva ine pamusoro constitutional amendments nepatava panguva ine vachiuya ne-countdown vachiti by the end of this week zvinogona kungoendwa. Mana comment section medu zofungira enyu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Don't subscribe or like vachinotonga bell icon.